sudden I could see something. I didn't know what it was.
Fuck my dog again. You gonna keep trying to fuck my dog? This thing mounted this thing and tried to fuck her.
Immediately I started thinking what was in there.
I love you. I love you. I love you. This little piece of shit over here. Where is he? Dingy ding. Scratchel, scrappy doodles. Dingy dingy ling. Try to fuck her. He just mounted her. Lay the fuck down. Lay the fuck down. Do it. Start fucking.
My first impression when I saw this was like,
start fucking.
Little kid playing down here can actually fall in here and drown.
Lay the fuck down. Lay down. Get on your fucking knees. Oh, you know. Okay. Oh. Get down. Get down. There we go. There we go. He's trying to screw my fucking dog. He's trying to screw my dog. Scrappy, fuck her. You like pussy so much, how about you go fuck her? Yeah, that's what I thought. Go, yeah, keep fucking her. Fuck her. Fuck her. Fuck her. Fuck her. Fuck her. Fuck my dog. Fuck my dog. Fuck my dog. Do it. Do it. Just bang her already. Give me cat dogs. Cat dog, cat. Yeah, there we go. Cat dog, cat dog, cat dog, cat dog. Oh, this guy's the freaking best. I love him. Screw my fucking dog. Do it. My fucking dog. I swear to God.
And I thought it streamed. I thought a little bit odd.
How you doing? How you doing? Echo. Echo. Oh, can't read about. Echo. Echo. Fuck my dog. No. Get back on the floor. Get back on the goddamn floor. Okay, whatever. Fuck you. Oh, fuck you too. This is a dog molester. This molests dog. Oh! Fuck my dog. You want dog pussy? Get some dog pussy. Then you can get the man pussy, that's it. Go, fuck her. Ever saw Marisa Love Match? Some funny shit. You ever been to Westchester? No, you come from Westchester? Holy shit, I'm looking for a white nigga from Westchester, that's it. Fuck my dog. Fuck her. Fuck my dog. Get the fuck away. Oh, beat the shit out of you. Get out. Go to the corner. Go to the corner. Keep it walking. Fuck you up. Keep walking, nigga. Get. Oh shit, I almost dropped my phone. Shit. No. I threw it away, you jerk.